Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy S9. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
Samsung has released the Android 10 update for the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. The update is rolling out in Germany and in the US for those using the S9 or S9 Plus on Xfinity Mobile. The stable update of Android 10 is currently available for those who are beta program testers. And soon the non-beta users will also get the latest version of Android. When will the update start making its way to Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus owners in other countries? Well, since Samsung says the update is due in February in its Android 10 roadmap, we guess it's possible it will be a few days before the rollout expands to more markets. Or, well, it may happen in a few hours as well, as Samsung's roadmap for Germany says the update is due in March, even though the update has been released in the country today. The Android 10 update for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus is between 1.8 GB to 1.9 GB in size and can be downloaded over the air from the software update menu. You can also manually update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware as it is now available. The update comes with brand new One UI 2.0, which includes many new features and improvements of old features. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Peace out.